Hey, welcome into Mr. Gear. We're doing a 2001 Subaru Outback brake job. This is for a buddy's daughter. She needs brakes really bad. So we're gonna see how fast we can knock this out. So Joe, you ready? All right, let's slam this out.
All right.
We have an hour to get this done on our lunch break, and then we're going to try and work in a headlight restoration at the same time, so we got to hustle. We're also hoping to get Joe's new off-road tires on his Outback.
According to the interwebs, you just need 14 mil, 17 mil torque wrench and something to compress the caliper. I just used this one on the Mazda. It worked really good, so let's get after it.
I cannot believe we forgot to grab half-inch drive stuff for this.
That was my finger. Oh, it's in there. Minor corrosion.
Remember, turn up. For what?
Almost. This is going great. Was this side underwater?
Oh, it's not here anymore. One down, one to go.
I think you'd be going to get some cheeseburger.
Oh, I gotta pause and get the phone.
Yeah. Oh, that thing is tight or rusty.
It's called being sealed properly.
Well,
You don't have to worry about it moving on you if it's fused together with rust.
right. Haven't got to the metal yet.
Oh, that's close though.
It's getting there.
Oh, I guess not. Oh.
Miles.
Not made by Wildman. Are they? And these are made by Bosch.
So just matching up, making sure we get everything to match. Pads look the same. We put the new hardware on. This kit came with several sets of springs, so we just had to kind of find the right ones for this particular model. But springs just pop out, pop in, pretty easy.
All the same.
Yeah, that's pretty worn. Yeah. I would say it needed some new brake.
This is the silicone-based brake lube. Kind of keeps the pads quiet. Also helps to, no, they just don't wear on the backside when they're lubed up where the piston hits them and stuff. Really important. Just make sure you get the right silicone-based stuff. You don't want to put anything that would be petroleum-based on here. They could end up getting on the pads and affect your braking.
Hey, you're bleeding too.
No, I ain't got time to bleed. New rotor on. Caliper smash-o. You need a brake pad. Can you grab a brake pad?
Don't need a brake pad. You can go right on the pot.
If you want to do it like a hack.
We're using a C-clamp.
This is professional grade. There you go. Hey,
You move your hand, sir.
remember when I got it over there and got almost both of them?
Yep. Is that what you're telling me to do?
It's a suggestion.
Oh.
It's funny, it looks like you have 3 hands.
I do have 3 hands.
That's not gonna work. You're not gonna get it.
You're not gonna get it. Only if I could see the other side. If only there wasn't a camera blocking my view.
Think about the person that's trying to do this for the first time.
They're probably going, what's these guys' problems? They don't know what they're doing.
It's mostly about you.
Yeah, it's true. I never know what I'm doing.
Watch that brake line so you don't pinch it over there.
Oh, if only I could see. How about you tell me if I'm gonna pinch it? Pinch? That ain't working.
That's the way you do it. You play the guitar on the MTV. I think your pad's hitting the bottom of the housing. By the way.
Yeah.
Before you, are you done pushing stuff on the piston? Overflowing.
Good job, Paul.
That's how that works.
Oh. Tell me the extend-o-matic.
It's on the other side. It's under your foot.
Sit on my foot.
Now you got grease on your hands. Watch that bottom.
I got it. I'm worried about the top. There we go.
Look at her bolt.
Yeah. I'm feeling a Happy Gilmore.
You have a little trouble there.
A little bit. I told you the Happy Gilmore moment's coming.
Is this your first time working on a Subaru, Joe?
Yep. This is my first time on anything. Why won't these go? Help me understand.
How many pounds?
19.
There was varying.
I read anywhere from 19 and a half to 27 and a half.
The manual said 19 for both, right?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Wait, what is happening? Why is this set the wrong direction, Paul?
Just because it's my wrench doesn't mean that it could be my fault.
Oh, okay. Now the trick is, you know you're doing something right when you're making as much noise as possible.
Take your time. We've just got to do the back still.
You might have to do the back. I might have to go pick up the tires. We just got to test.
Oh, yeah.
Click, click. We is live. Let's not do that.
We just go on the diff, you think?
Yeah. I think. Didn't go on the diff. I was kidding.
I didn't put any bolt in it after I had it in my trunk.
Did you remember to break the tires free?
Yeah, break them.
Break them.
So on the rears, it's a little tougher. You have to go through the lower control arm and the sway bar mount, and it's a real pain. But they're both 14s. You definitely need a breaker bar and a 1/2-inch drive. But I didn't have anybody to film, so I just had to knock it out and get them done. It's about the same as the fence.
This isn't doing the brakes, Toby.
It is a safety issue.
All right, this is the McGuire's headlight restoration kit. We've got the scuff paste that comes with it, the little sponge, just a little bit of water. And this is to do what?
This is to clean it and remove any of the oxidized plastic that's on it.
Right, that hazy, nasty. You breaking a sweat?
Not yet.
Okay, just checking. How easy that is. This one's not too bad, actually. The other one was a lot worse. Well, that looks terrible now.
It's got to look ugly before it looks good.
Now, wax and grease remover. Is there a particular kind of wax and grease remover you like?
I really enjoy the Vitec part number 36-700.
Not sponsors. Oh, it's fixed. You're all done. Looks great. Nice work, Toad. Why do you follow it with another towel?
To lift all the debris off that the wax and grease remover brought to the surface. Also works as an anti-stack cleaner.
Tack rag?
Yes, these are flashes.
So, what's this stuff now?
This is the headlight coating to provide UV protectant.
Gotcha. Well, it just looks brand new.
So you let the first coat sit for about 15 minutes, apply a second coat over it, and then you're good.
Nice.
All right, new brakes on all 4 corners. Headlights are clear as the day they were put in, so that should help her out a lot. It was a good day. 1 hour.
Like new.
What causes it to do that?
Now we got to get Joe's new tires put on. He's going gigantic up to, I think, a 28-inch, 28.5 on his Subaru Outback. That should change the look of it dramatically.
What size are these?
235, 76
Did they clear?
Yes and no.
Mostly.
Mostly. I'm gonna go test it out right now and see what's running.
That looks sick.
We have a 15 offset. Stock is 53 offset.
Well, the lift kit that he ordered that we'll probably put on in one of the next episodes will give him all the clearance he needs. Man, that does look awesome. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe. That's 3 Subarus on this channel so far. Jeez.